Hey, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing some butterfly locks in my daughter's hair. Y'all, this is her first time having butterfly locks, so I'm so curious to see how long these last, and I will definitely let you all know. I'm also going to put in the description box below the type of hair that I used. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's get into it. So as y'all can see, my daughter is tender-headed. I had to wash her hair, condition it, deep condition it, detangle, but I did not fully detangle it with the conditioner in. So as I'm doing each part and each section, I'm having to like really detangle it. Yeah, it was a process, you guys. It was a process. So what I'm doing here, I really, I've tried different methods, but this is the best method for me. Braiding the actual section, but braiding the lock in the braid, if you understand what I mean. It is the best, hands down, for me. You can do it closer to the root. I do it further away. I don't want to possibly cause any breakage or anything. So I just do it a little further away from the actual root. But braiding the lock in the braid, I just love this method. It's a lot easier for me than crocheting it in. And I really like it. So each section was like, the entire hair was wet, but I actually blow dried each section as I was doing it instead of blow drying her full hair and then going back and doing each section. So you'll see me like blow drying each section at a time. I'm doing the pull method because I want her roots to be a little bit straighter. I'm not making the entire hair straight. I just want it to be, one, dry, and then two, her roots to be straighter so it can lay down flat and look really nice and clean. So I wrap the hair around it, around the braid, and I do not crochet anything in. I just take half of the section, half of the hair, put it like halfway down to where her actual braid is, and then wrap the rest of it around her hair. I do it a few times around the root first so I can make sure it is secure. And you just keep wrapping down. Now I will go down about a ½ inch and until I start actually doing like the butterfly look. So like that's just pulling a piece out like I did right there, and then just wrapping. So you do that, you wrap, and then pull a piece out. Do it as many times as you want to, just to get, the effective look that you want. So when I do my locks, I don't like the very neat look. I like them to actually look like locks. So I mean, you're gonna see like each lock is different. The pieces that come out, they're not precise. They're not exact on each piece. It's just however much hair I want to pull out, I just do that. I don't like them to look very neat. I want them to look like natural locks. So I love wearing this style on myself. Like I said, this is my first time doing it on my daughter, and I really like them on her, and she liked them herself. But I do like them to look like natural locks, not too neat. For her edges, I only left out a little bit, and that's really her natural baby hairs. Like, I didn't want to leave out a lot. She is getting to the age where she likes to do her edges now, so I only want to leave out a little bit so she can, you know, swoop the little bit that she has some days, and if she doesn't, it doesn't look crazy. So I only left out a little bit. Some products that I used on her hair. Right here, I use the Shining Jam to slick it down, slick each part down, and make sure that, you know, her natural hair is staying within the braid. So I use Shining Jam, and then I use a foaming mousse to lay it down afterwards. I also used like a styling, like a shining spray on her hair to just give it a good shine. But other than that, that's about it. It may be one other product that I use, but like I said, I'll show it in the video in a few. So once I got near the ends of me wrapping the lock around the crochet hair, I used the adhesive spray just to hold it. And as you can see, I'm putting it on right here as well, and just kind of rubbing the locks between my hands. So just to secure it, just to make sure that, you know, no pieces come out of the actual lock. So I use the coconut oil hydrating oil mist to give her hair a nice shine. And as you can see, I'm also going to put, I think it's Lottabody milk honey curl defining mousse. Any type of mousse will work. This is just to lay the hair down, and then I'm going to blow dry it afterwards to make sure it's nice and shiny and pretty. I did use some other products as far as to moisturize her natural hair. And like I said, I'll put that in the description box below. So if you don't have these black tape things, which I didn't before, I bought like a whole set of them. But if you don't have these, just use a scarf, one or two. I usually use two if I don't have these, and that works just as great. So, and then after that, you would just blow dry the hair to make sure it just stays nice and pretty. And once you take that off, you will be done, honey. So this entire process of washing your hair, conditioning it, deep conditioning, and moisturizing, and then blow drying each section and the actual locks, it took a good 4 hours. Now, if her hair was already washed and conditioned and we just had to do the locks by itself, it would have only taken about 2 hours. That's it. So, you know, I just set aside a day for her hair because I knew it was going to take a while. Thank y'all so much for watching this. I really hope it was helpful. Let me know any other styles y'all would like for me to try, and then that I can definitely show you all how I do them. Look at her. She's just loving the hair, the flip, y'all. So subscribe below and like this video, and I will see y'all next time. All right. Okay. All right. We're done.